Amazing health benefits of banana stem. Having a banana every day comes with an astonishing number of health benefits. Moreover, it is good for your skin and hair too. The leaves, flowers, and even the stem of banana are known to be good for us in some way or the other. Banana stem or the flower stalk is high in fiber content. It cleanses our digestive system, which in turn keeps many diseases at bay. The fibrous inner core of the stalk is eaten after peeling off the outer layer of the stem. So what all does a banana stem do to your health? 1. Detoxification and digestion. The juice of the banana stem helps in flushing out toxins from the body. It is a diuretic and one of the most effective ways to cleanse your system from ailments. Banana stem juice is also a great digestive, which aids bowel movement and contains good fiber for your gut. 2. Anemia. It increases the hemoglobin content in your body as it is rich in iron and vitamin B6. These properties make it an important part of the diet for anemic persons. 3. Managing cholesterol and blood pressure. Rich in vitamin B6, it has a lot of iron and increases the hemoglobin count. It is enriched with potassium as well and is effective to treat cholesterol and high blood pressure. 4. Diabetes. The juice extracted out of the stem is excellent for diabetics, especially when consumed without straining. It does not contain any sugar and thus does not raise the blood sugar levels. It also has a low glycemic index, which is an important factor for a diabetic person. 5. Kidney stone. Mixing lime with the juice of the stem is an effective method of combating renal stones. The potassium content and the diuretic properties in the stem and the citric acid in the lime together help to stall the formation of calcium lumps or crystals from the kidney. 6. Healing acidity and gastric problems. If you've got frequent problems with acidity, banana stem juice helps in regulating the acidic levels in your body and restoring balance. It provides relief from heartburn and discomfort and burning in the tummy. 7. Constipation. The banana stem is high in fiber and acts as a laxative to ease constipation. For maximum fiber intake, have the banana stem juice without straining it. 8. Weight loss. Banana stem helps to keep our weight in check. Being high in fiber, it keeps us full for longer hours. Moreover, it slows down the release of sugar and fat in the bloodstream. It also facilitates bowel movement. 9. Urinary tract infections. A banana stem is very effective in treating urinary tract infections or UTI. The presence of vitamin B6 and potassium and the diuretic properties help to fight urinary infections. How to make banana stem juice? 1. Clean the banana stem properly and then cut it into pieces. Otherwise, you can also get it in bulk and soak it in buttermilk. 2. Store it in the refrigerator. 3. The buttermilk should be changed after 2 to 3 days before it turns sour. 4. To prepare the juice, add the banana stem, roasted cumin, yogurt, pepper, and salt into the blender. 5. Make a smooth paste. 6. Consume it thick or just add some water. 7. You can also consume it as a smoothie. 8. Blend 1 apple, 1 cup soak banana stem, and 1 cup water. 9. Strain the juice and add ice cubes to it.
If you like this video, please subscribe and share. Don't forget to click the notification bell for more updates.